Game won't open due to the D3D Compiler 40 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data.
I've linked the primary utility for D3D Compiler 40 in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the D3D Compiler 40, the Direct3D HLSL Compiler v40. It provides unmanaged routines for compiling shader manifests for 3D applications utilizing the November 2008 DirectX data link.
With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files.
D3D Compiler 40 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support.
If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory.
A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with D3D Compiler 40. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step.
If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you still see the error after restarting, then your DirectX environment needs a manual update and you must use the DirectX June 2010 redistributable to fill in the missing library gaps. This tool is designed to restore compatibility for older graphics APIs that are no longer supported by standard Windows update cycles. Why are we doing this? Well, corrupted graphics metadata often prevents the OS from loading older library versions, and this manual setup forces a clean deployment of the required binaries. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error.
Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install D3D Compiler 40 DLL into directories where it does not natively belong.
For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below.
For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the D3D Compiler 40 environment. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and D3D Compiler 40 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.